Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making a small video about pound yen. So let's get started. This is the pound yen 40-minute chart I made yesterday, 10th February, right? And this is my setup. 40-minute chart I use mostly for the direction, change of direction, right? Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, Fibonacci, mumbo jumbo. And find the turning points, and then I take the entries from 20 and 7-minute chart, 7-minute chart, right? So there was like some people post on my Forest Factory forum, the public forum, my thread there that so no verification. All he's posting is like positive trade. So I said, okay, let me post some of those charts ahead of time. The setup charts like this one, right? That this is going to happen, is going to drop here on that forum, Forest Factory, so that they will know exactly that what I'm planning to do, right? So what happened to this chart? And let me show you that, this is I posted here on my Forest Factory forum, right? You see that? This is the chart right here. It's posted. That's going to drop here. And then I said that pound yen short trade setup, right? So what happened to this chart? Where did I could go? Okay. So this start to drop, and this is how it dropped to my target, 23% line. Now, what happened? That either this thing is going to make the turn and then go to the upside, or from here, it will drop all the way down. Why? I mean, let me show you a diagram that will explain what happened normally. So let's say this one is this is a move, XA, so it's a main move. And then if this first pullback at point B, if it is 78%, then usually what happened, one of the two things is going to happen. It's going to come down here for point C at either 38%, most likely 38%, or sometimes 23%, 80-20 we can say. And then this is the very, very critical point. So either this thing is going to bounce and go and make a harmonic pattern or harmonic fib calculation, or is going to drop straight to the downside here to 127, 161. Or like I said, that it will go up there to the upside, either 127 or 161 to the upside. Same fib, XA. B has to be 78%. So most likely it drops to 38, and since the pressure is to the upside more, it bounced from 38 and then go make the butterfly pattern, either 127 level or 161, and then nicely drop. That's called bearish butterfly pattern, right? That's harmonic. And then Elliott wave is like wave 1, 2, and then 3 all the way down. Right? So, and the 3 can go to 127 or 161. So I made another chart after that. First, let me show you the trade that I took coming down here from 78% to 23%. And I posted it on the Telegram, Forest Factory, and the Telegram as well. I see this Telegram right here. The chart was posted here. And then the trade I took, I posted here. Let me show you the trade. This is the trade. So the very same day, when I made the chart, it started to drop. First entry, boom, all the way to, this 400 pip from 7-minute chart entry. Then what happened? Like I said, that it came down and it was sitting here at 23% line. So, either or chances are like it's going to go to the upside or continue downside. So I made another chart. Which one was this? At this point, I said either this thing is going to go here to make a butterfly. First target is 127. Second, I didn't even mention here, but usually second, if it goes for second, 161%, or it's a nice level here, 91.32, right? Or if it's going to drop straight, then it's going to drop here to 127 or 161 here to the downside for wave 5, right? So what happened to this chart? And this chart also I posted. Let me show you. So this is the same chart I posted here, and then it came down here, so I posted that. And where let me show you there. I posted a lot of charts. You see, like this one setup that's going to go up, and it did. And I'll show you the chart. Now, see this one here, right? So I posted the chart saying that either it's going to go up, that orange levels here, this one the downside, and this is the upside for a butterfly pattern, small butterfly, or 1.618 is a big butterfly, right? So what happened to this chart as of today? Just now, a little while ago, I closed, and so this is the chart, and look what happened. Boom, boom, all the way straight to butterfly. But at this point, I said that this could be A, B, C, and wave 4. If this is wave 3, this is wave 4, we can still come down for wave 5. But what happened? This thing is keep going to the upside, and 91.32 is touched already. Let me see if I can show you where the heck is. Okay. All right. So this one you can see here. Right now, this is what it is doing. See the big butterfly at this level, 61%. But just above that was the level, and then it hit the level, and now we stop. Right? A very good chance that it will drop. So these are the Fibonacci or harmonic patterns, Elliott wave count. These are the mumbo jumbo that I use to pinpoint the turning points, possible turning points. I'm not saying that it's definite, but possible. I just showed you that, just step by step. First, coming down, I said it's going to come down. I posted it on the Forex Factory. Everybody knew beforehand that, this is my plan. This is what I want to do. And I did it. Then going to the upside, again, I said that this is going to happen. Or one of the things that, if 23% line, if we're going to drop, then we're going to drop. If not, then we're going to go up. We went up, right? So this is what happened exactly. Now, I'm saying that this might happen. So when we are going to the upside, what really happened and how my trade was from here going to the upside. Now, first, it gave me a short entry, and it was like, just hold on a second. I just wanted to see. Okay. No. All right. So, yeah. So it gave me a short entry, and I took it, and then I lost like 20 pips. But when it went above the wave, and then, the setup and became bullish, and then gave me the first 7-minute long entry, which I was sleeping at that time because after my SL hit us, so what the hell with it? I don't know if we're going to get and when we're going to get the long entry. So I went to sleep. I was too tired. So, but I put my robot there, EA, expert advisor, right? And that one took the entry, right? 7-minute entry, and this is how the trade was. Boom, boom. See, this was right here somewhere, one of these entry, the short entry I took, and then it just reversed on me. So I lost 20, but then again, look how many pips. Straight to the upside, hitting that level. And that chart turned into, I just showed you that how it chart turned out to be like this butterfly. It went up all the way to 91.32 already. We just saw it, right? I just showed you here. And this is my current chart. I'm expecting now a drop back to this level. So if, again, it's not definite, nothing is definite. Like I said yesterday, first it gave me the short entry. So I said, okay, no problem. Maybe it's going down. So I took it, lost it, then said, this is the idea. If you know the system, and if you have this system or any other system, that you must have a system, either or, right? If then. If it goes down, then I'm going to take the entry to the downside and where to go. And if it goes up, I'm going to take the long entry and where I'm going to go. So the targets are predetermined so that you have no idea, you're not in a dark, like, okay, where the heck is going to go? How many pips should I close and this and that? The reason I hold on to it to 165 pips is because I was expecting that at least 127 is going to hit. And that's where I closed. I mean, I could have had some more, all the way to this number, maybe 200 or more. But at that 127 level, I close the trade, right? Most of the time it turns from there. But it went all the way to this one, so no problem. So now this section. Now, some more charts, for example, we go back and then I'll see, I'll show you here. I posted on for example, this one. See, pound Aussie, I said, okay, this thing, first, this one, so I'm not going to go in, too far back. But I posted on the 10th yesterday that this thing is going to bounce from here and go to the upside. And then I even wrote here that these are Forex Factory, by the way, right? So pound Aussie, possible long setup, possible. It may go, may drop more, right? So until I have my 7-minute long entry, proper entry, I'm not going to take the trade. So I said, we'll take 7-minute long entry if present. If it shows up, yes, I will take it. Right. And then you can see that later on what happened. Let me show you. This is the pound. Oh man, where the heck is that? All right, so see, this is the one, right? I said that it's gonna go up, so I'll take it, and I took it today, 11, nice and clean, big long entry here, buy entry, and then 95 pip out of that, right? So I posted already ahead of time, way ahead of time, and 1 day in advance, right? That is gonna go up, and it did. So, it's a lot of trades, I'm posting the setups, like, for example, gold, beautiful. So, I said this, and then it dropped, and I had it. But I was making some busy doing something. So it dropped from here to here, right? Into to this level. And I, took the entry and I closed quickly because the volatility was too much. So I said, what the hell with it? I've closed and then I'll see in London session, right? So, yeah. But it's still, it's both sides. If it's going to be coming down for wave 5, or it's going to go up for, wave 3 if it is wave 1 and 2. So whichever way I get my entry, I'll take it, but homework is a must, right? Similarly, let me see if I have some more chart there. So this story ended here, not here actually. I went all the way to the upside. And so this one, I was talking about that Parnazi. I said it's going to go to the upside, and I had this trade, right? Now, another chart, just like pound yen, I made the chart for euro yen, but I didn't post it in somewhere, right? So I had it, and said, well, one chart is enough for pound yen in the perspective, right? But this is also, I made the chart that, okay, on the 10th, yesterday, that this is exactly the same kind of calculation as the 78, and then between 38 to 23. And if bounce, we're going to go to the upside here to 127. And if it drop, then we're going to go minus 127. So it start to go to the upside. I didn't even take a short entry. I don't know if it gave a short or not, but long entry was present, and here we go. See, it went up all the way, entry, and then boom. Not much, but 90 pips. Not like pound yen, 165 pips, right? But at least something, right? So this is how, and then the short ends up like this. Exactly, it went and hit this area, but it's not there. It went up more. I think that's gonna go for this. Let's take a look. I'm going to make that chart as well, the turning point. I'm gonna find it. So okay, it is here now, right? So it is just above that, and then fib you can see here it's more than 161. So right now, don't know where it's going, right? When it's gonna make the turn, but there is no level here. The level is at 59.61. It is exactly at 78%. So it might go a little bit more to the upside and then drop to 38%. Right? So this is how this one is gonna go. And what else? This is it, right? So see, this is how, if it's not that easy. I'm not gonna say that, but it's the matter of learning. If you learn it, become piece of cake. I'm making so many charts. Every day I know exactly which pair is going where, what it is going to do, right? Either or. And then if you have an entry setup system, and it doesn't matter which way it go, right? So if you have the alarms, my system, it even beeps when the setup is ready or the entry is present. It beep, the alarm beep. And if you have my EA robot that takes open the trade automatically, it will open the trade. Most of my trades are open automatically, right? Like I said, when I was here, I took a wrong entry, but my EA took the right one, right? And then Euro yen as well. That was the EA taking the entry, right? So yeah, so this is it's just a matter of learning. So if you want to learn all this, I have a few opening now because I finished some one-on-one over the weekend, and so you can go in my website, sign up for that. Let me see if I have the website. My website, where it is, bro. Just let me see. Maybe here. Yeah. So here, let's see. Here you can see this one-on-one coaching here, and it's personal. It's a 5-hour course, 10-hour course, both available. Or if you just want the video course, right? It's a very intense, very, it's like detailed video course of harmonic pattern course and Elliott wave course. So either if you don't want to be, personally talking, then you can simply just take the course and watch the videos and learn all about Elliott wave, harmonic patterns. It's all about Elliott Fibonacci mumbo jumbo, the Fibonacci calculation, what comes after what number. Right, for example, 61%, right? The golden ratio is connected to 1.618, and 78% is connected to 127% extension, right? So all of these numbers are connected or mathematically interrelated, so that one number you see that's 23% line after 61, then you will know exactly where the heck it's going to go, if it is going to go in that direction. Understand? So yeah, powerful courses, and then obviously one-on-one course, and then you have some combos here, deals here. You can go here and then put things together like courses and a one-on-one, and then EA. You can get discount and all of that. All right. So be my guest. Visit my website and see what it is. All right. For example, here. I don't know. Just go and surf. So too many things here. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that this is how I'm posting the setup. Not all of them. Basically, all of them are for my subscribers, obviously, right? Whoever monthly subscribers or lifetime or whatever. Yeah. So I like, for example, tomorrow the webinar day. So I'm gonna give it to my subscribers, show them that these are the setup, these are my 40-minute chart, and this is what to expect. And then I post on the Telegram as well that this is what's happening, or something is, if I'm available, right? If I'm sleeping, my EA takes a trade, but I cannot post on the Telegram. So that's what it is. And I don't want to take a risk that, make it automatically, because EA can also make, false entries as well, right? I can handle it because I know exactly what it is. So this is how it is, right? Now, making new charts for almost, I'm not trading a lot of pairs right now. Very few, because you don't need to be honest with you. Look how many pips, in this just few trades. Now, some pairs are, like have a daily range, big daily range, right? For example, pound yen right now has a 200 pip daily range. Means in one day, 24-hour day, from top to bottom, it moves 200 pips. So if you make early entry around, let's, for example, the day started and then you are like 30 pip, 40 pip into the day. If you are 40 pip, then you have a shot at 160 pip. If you find entry and then your entry is positive, then you can hold on to it to at least 120, 30 pip, because 40 minus 200 daily range is 160 pip. Right. So let me show you how correctly, how exactly, or let me see, what am I supposed to do? Okay, here. Let me see if I can show you this daily range indicator. If I post that on this, man, it's not gonna show up, I know. Now it's gonna show up. All right, so look, the daily range basically, oh, it is euro yen. What the heck? Where's my, let's see, pound yen. Okay, pound yen, let me take this off. If this EA is on, the other EA don't come, even if I drop it here. So I have to remove that first, and then euro yen we just saw 164, 165 pip, right? And this one, let me see. You see this 197 is the daily range, 60-day average daily range, right? So how much it did yesterday? Yesterday, we just, today means just close 5 o'clock, before 5 o'clock, 267. Day before that was 200. And current day already 180. You see that? So it goes to this daily range, very close to that, always. So like I said, that if you have an early entry, right, you have a very good shot. Now, euro yen, I have 90 pip trade only. Why? Because I closed it early, because the daily range is only 164 there. Not, I mean, less than this, right? So this is like 200, that's like 165. And similarly, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they're like around 100, a little more than 100, right? So they are also good, right? Pound USD is not that much, but so these are few trades. I mean pairs like USD yen also, big daily range, right? So if you make early entry, if you find it early into the day, and then you can ride for the rest of the daily range for the rest of the day, right? It just keep going and going and going and going until close, get very close to the daily range. So this is how it is, right? All right, so this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that this is how I'm posting some of those trades, just to show those people that saying that we don't know, he's not showing the negative trades and there's no verification, all of that. Obviously, they don't understand. I'm not gonna show my account, right? The text problem, IRS problem. So that's my private thing. But I'm posting this, like for example, this setup, man. So like one day, if I post this one already, and then saying that okay, I'm gonna take a short, and then next day I take the short entry when it shows up, what else that I can prove, right? So this is how it is. Anyway, so like this one, I have a couple of more. So I'm gonna show to my subscribers, in my regular webinar tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So if you want to be a part of the webinar, you just go on my website, subscribe, get these charts, get the system, learn, and then take these trades, man. Right? So far, in 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, let me show you how many trades I have because of these charts, these setups. Look, 12 trades here. Go, GJ, GA, then again gold, then again. Oh, look at these gold trades. It's just same system. See that? This is a Omer system, and this is mine as well together. But this is how it is. It went up all the way to 130 pip, and then it dropped, and then again it went up. Let me show you. Man, this computer is some kind of virus got into this computer. I don't know what. And the next, see, went up, gave another entry, 180 pip from here to here. Beautiful trades, right? Then again, this one, pound yen, 90 pip. Again, 160, just today, this one, this is NASDAQ. Euro yen, 90 pip. Pound Aussie, 95 pip. Then again, Aussie yen. I didn't make this chart or 40-minute chart and all that, right? It just took the trade, my robot. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you are interested in learning all of that, then go to my website, sign up, and take it from there. Like I said, I don't have many openings right now. I mean, few I closed, maybe 3 or 4, something like that I can take, not more than that. All right, so if you want to learn, then go and sign up. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.